Welcome to our channel One Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Golden Tiger Casino account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to show you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Golden Tiger Casino login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option, Golden Tiger login, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. Now once you're in the Golden Tiger Casino's website, you want to click on this over here where it says click here to log in. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of Golden Tiger, which is going to look just like this. Now once you're in this page, the login thing will pop up just like this. Once it pops up where it says username, enter the username of your account, and where it says password, just enter the password of your account and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your Golden Tiger Casino account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.